Adjectives. We use adjectives when we want to describe nouns, to tell more about them. Adjectives are words that never change. This means they are never plural. Beautiful cat. Beautiful cats. Adjectives express appearance, personality, characteristics, and so on. Let's describe people. What is David like? David is a handsome man. He's tall with dark hair and brown eyes. He's a lovely man. What is Diana like? Diana is a nice girl. She is tall with dark brown eyes and brown hair. She is really beautiful. Let's describe places. What is Romania like? Oh, it's a very beautiful country. There are nice places, wonderful landscapes to see, green mountains and warm beaches. Let's describe objects. What is your new car like? Oh, it's a comfortable car. The position of adjectives. 1. Adjectives go before the nouns they describe. They're nice children. We have a beautiful room. 2. After a link verb like be, look, feel. Their hotel is modern. That book looks interesting. The velvet feels soft. Here is a short list of some basic adjectives you can use to describe objects. Learning the opposite meaning of them can help you increase your vocabulary. Big or large, small. It's a large classroom. It's a small classroom. Clean, dirty. This is a clean room. This is a dirty room. Friendly, unfriendly. My cousins are friendly people. His cousins are unfriendly people. Expensive, cheap. It's an expensive laptop. It's a cheap laptop. Good, bad. Rex is a good dog. Max is a bad dog. Tall, short. He's a tall man. He is a short man. Long, short. I have long hair. You have short hair. Happy, sad. My cat has a happy face. His cat has a sad face. Other examples. Beautiful, ugly. Old, new. Hot, cold. Old, young. Big, small. Thick, thin. Empty, full. Some adjectives are made from verbs plus ing, or ed. 1. Ing adjectives. Some of the ing adjectives are amusing, annoying, boring, disappointing, exciting. When you say that something is amusing, you mean it amuses you. 2. Ed adjectives. Some of the ed adjectives are annoyed, bored, closed, delighted, When something annoys you, you feel annoyed.